Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about using MetaTrader 5 for trading online. And you can use this platform to trade just about anything, including currencies, metals, bitcoins, and so forth, or cryptocurrencies. You can add actually just about any account from any broker through here. And you can once you actually download MetaTrader 5, you will get a demo account with $10,000 that you can test things with. And also the best features, or one of the best features that MetaTrader 5 has, which is testing and expert advisors. Also, you can use indicators. So what are these things? Just to get familiar in the beginning with the trading platform, basically here, once you open that application, you'll get this window which has Market Watch. You can just add about any currency pair like USD. Once you type, it will show you actually most of the things that it has, and then you can just choose about anything, and then you can hit enter and it will be added automatically. And you can also remove it by right clicking and then removing it by clicking hide or delete. Now, how do you show the currency pair or metal chart, metal trading chart? Right now we have one open, which is USD TRY, US dollar Turkish lira. And if you go to window and then you can go cascade, then you can actually open more than one and you can arrange them the way that you want. And then once you are satisfied, say if I want to have as well, I want to have the gold chart, you can just drag it in. If you drag it above an open window, it will actually replace it. But if you drag it away from the window, then you can just add it, and then you can arrange them horizontally, vertically, and so forth. So you have these you can trade with. Now, say if I want to open a position, so if you select it, you'll notice that you can go here and you can actually go new order, and automatically, because it was selected, then it will automatically be selecting that chart. And you can actually also go through all the stuff that you have chosen before, or the one you have added in the Market Watch, and you can choose, and then you can, so once I have it chosen, and then you can just add the volume that you want. Say I want to open 0.01, and you can open buy or sell by clicking here. So this is how you trade. And once you trade, say I want to add, now it's sitting at 1,771. I think it will be going up next, because we have, yes, it's going down. So then it has this candle which shows that there is a big force going back or pushing it up. So if I go and open buy, so now I opened one buy position and it's listed here, and then I can just keep watching it, and whenever I want to close it, I just right click on it and then go close position. Also, I can put a stop loss if I didn't. So I'm going to say if it reaches 1770, I don't want to lose too much. So if it hits that, close the position. And if it reaches 1775, for example, then I want to take profit, because I bought it at 1771.99. So if it reaches that, I want to close, and then hit that. So whenever I want to close it, I just right click and go close position. Now I'll be losing money. This is the profit, it's in minus. So if it goes up a little bit, then I'll be able to gain some money. And you can see here there's a blue arrow which you actually can customize in the menu, but this is more advanced. So this arrow means it's a buy position and it's going up, and if it's a sell position, then it will be red arrow and it will be pointing down. So I will close that. Of course, it will be showing me the equity, margin, free margin, margin level. So I don't want my equity to go too low or my account will be closed. The position also, if it goes too low or losing too much, then it will actually close the position automatically if there is not enough money in my account. So I'll close that. Yes, I accept. This is only first time I'll show you that. After that, you can just close. So first time I'll just give you a warning. So now I closed it with a little bit of loss. That's why my remaining money is 9,999.94. So I lost 6 cents, actually less than 6 cents. So, and you can see that it was a sell, so I got a buy, and then I went sell, and I closed it. Now, what else is there? We have I was saying that the best features of this trading platforms is you can actually add expert advisors, which are trading robots, and you can actually test them. And this test you can set the range, so that right now I have this example expert advisor. I can use anyone else, and then I can define the time frame, and then I can say I want to test it on this chart, say metals, and this is the gold that we chose here, right here. So metal, and I want to say test it for the last year, and then if I actually hit start, this is my deposit. This is basically it's imitating real life condition. So I would say I want to test when I have $10,000 and my leverage, my account leverage is 1 to 100, and it's US dollar and so forth. And then if I hit start, it will actually start testing this robot, which is moving average. This is an MetaTrader 5 expert advisor, which you can actually find expert advisors on MetaTrader website, and you can also watch it, or you can find it on my website or on my Telegram channel. If you go to my Telegram channel, which is, I will type it here for you. So if you go to my Telegram channel, say I'll type it for you in a text box, so you can actually get the link correctly. So let's get the note, pad, and here if you go to Telegram and you go to my ID, Telegram ID samshosho, you'll be able to actually see my my expert advisor, and you can get more information about it. So again, we'll keep that in the background. Again, this is for testing the expert advisors. And now once I get this and I get the free account, you will see under accounts I have MetaTrader demo account, but I can also add my own account. So open an account, and I want to type my brokers. So some of the brokers, like IC Market, for example, find, let's try that again, IC Mar, markets. It should be able to list everything that has to do with the IC market. So IC markets have EU, which is European, and it has international. So if I pick that and go next, and then I'll be able to put in my login account, whatever, and then my password, whatever my password is, and then choose the server, which will be assigned by the broker, and the broker will give you this information. Now, if I have another broker, for example, FX Choice, these brokers I actually used before, and the most recent one I used was the FX Choice. So if I click on that and go next, same thing, it'll ask you about your account number, so you want to put your account number, whatever it is, and then you'll put your passcode, and then you'll choose this server which the broker will be giving you. Most of the brokers do support MetaTrader 5, but if they don't, then find a broker that does, because this will allow you, will open so many doors for robotic trading, which are the expert advisors. Once you have added your account, say this is the new account that I have, and then if I get a robot and I want to use it, all you have to do is you go under, you put the robot file under expert advisors, and you go under advisors, for example, and you just drag the robot to the chart. You'll see that it dragged and it was actually added to the chart, and it will ask you for inputs. Now all these details will be explained in another video about expert advisors and how to change the inputs and what are the expert advisors in details will be in another video. But so far this covers adding the pair that you want to trade with, and or actually it covers the adding your own account or your broker account, and covers also the way you can trade and the way you can open charts and stuff, and also covers this part which for testing expert advisors. I hope this video is beneficial to you, and if it is, I don't mind sharing it, and if you like it, please give it a thumb up and keep up with us. We'll be posting so many other videos that are beneficial for trading. Thank you and have a good